Hi, how can you turn this data list right into this expected outcome? So, well, one way is that I can copy and paste, right? This is one way, right? So if you have just a couple array, right, you can do this, right? So if you have a long list, and you have another method, right? So we just highlight this list here and then press Ctrl G, right? And go to special and then click on the constant because the value here are all constant. And the first thing is that we pick up all those uh, text value, right? So we just uncheck all these items. So this is what it means, right? So constant and text, click OK. And now we can see that we are highlighting all the text constant. Copy, Control C, copy, and then go to here, paste, Control V, and do the same for the numbers as well, right? So now we just press Control G again, and then go to special, and this time we choose constant also, but we will look for numbers. So uncheck all these other items and click OK, and you got all this number here. And again, Control C and paste it here, and there you go, right? So if you are using the Excel 365, right? So you can use another handy way. It's called WrapRow, right? And then we highlight the list here and put cover, put 2 and close parenthesis, and enter, and that's it, right? It's done, right? So this is more handy way, right? So you can see wrap rows, right? It's wrap every 2 rows into a row, right? So every 2 rows into a row. So there's still another method called Power Query, right? So Power Query is more technical, right? So you just load this data into this, right? And then you copy this code here that it will work, right? So we'll just go here advanced editors, and this is the code, right? So it can help you to do just that, right? So depends on which requirement you want, right? So that is the code here. They use the list.generate, table.form, and that's all, right? And then they can load into a table, right? And thank you for watching, right? So once again, right, you have a multiple way, right? At least 4 ways to achieve the same thing, right? So you can use copy and paste. You can use that Control G, right, to search all those text value and paste it into it. Or you can use the wrap rows if you have 365 Excel 365. Thanks for watching.